everyone, this is Vanessa from the Digital Siren, and in this video we're doing a flip through of my brand new undated portrait planner from the Darkest Star collection. So here we have the cover of this planner, very classy, very simple. This planner features black paper background with this beige pinkish accents, and it has a astrology mystical sort of theme. So here we have the home page. So on this page in the middle you can write your name, and at the bottom we have 3 important links. The first one is to sign up to my club if you want to receive some free monthly stickers. I highly recommend that you do that. It's free stuff in your inbox every single month, so what's not to love? The second link is to visit my shop if you want to go back there. And the last link is to contact me if you have any question at all, any problem at all that you want to discuss with me. Please don't hesitate. I love to help. So we're gonna go into the tabs now. So I'm gonna show you how the navigation works in this planner. So if we tap on a tab here, you can see I drew some original illustrations for this planner, and they are themed with astrological signs. So here we have January, February, March. As you can see, each one of these is the astrological sign that corresponds with that month, like Pisces for March, April, May. Each one of these is a unique illustration that I drew just for this. Each one of them is different and hand-drawn with love. Here we are. So let's go back to January. I want to show you, if you swipe one, and then you go into the monthly view. So here we have January. At the top here in the header, you can see that there's a little constellation. That's also the constellation for the astrological sign for each month. So each one of these is different for every single month. So you have your basic monthly grid that you can date yourself. This is an undated planner, so you can keep reusing it year after year. At the bottom you have a little notes box, and if you can see here on the left, there are some little flags with week 1, week 2, week 3. These are hyperlinked and they go directly to the weekly view. So here we have the weekly layout. It's a vertical columns like layout. Also, as you can see here, this starts with Monday. This is the one that I'm demonstrating, but this planner actually comes in 2 versions in the same package. So you will get the choice between a Monday start or a Sunday start. And if you tap on the little month calendar here, it goes back to the monthly view. So this is how the navigation works in this planner. The tabs on the side, then flip one for the month, and then select your week, go back to the month. Here we have May with another constellation at the top. Next, I'm going to show you the top bar links. So the first one is home, which we already seen. The second one is the year view. So here you have all your little calendars, and these are also hyperlinked. So you can go directly to the month view from this year view. Next, we have the templates. So this planner comes with 30 extra templates. They're all listed here. We're going to go through them thoroughly afterwards. I'm going to show you everything that comes with this planner. Next, here we have a sticker page. So this is a hyperlinked empty page, and here you can paste some of your favorite stickers for easy access. And the best thing that I can recommend to paste here are the matching stickers that come for free with this planner. I'm going to show them to you right now. So here is the Darkest Star functional sticker kit, and this comes for free with the planner. As I said, here the first page we have some sticky notes. Here's some banners and bubbles and dots, some lovely stars, constellations, and lines to decorate your planner, boxes, icons, month, bill due stickers, and here we have a bunch of dates, weeks, years, etc. These are very, very useful to date your planner. Since this is an undated planner, all of these colors and fonts match the planner perfectly, so these are ideal. Let's go back. This planner also comes with 6 extra sections. Let me show them here. There are also original illustrations for these sections. So here is the first one with the month, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth, and sixth. So these sections are currently empty. You can paste any of the templates in these sections to write notes, recipes, maybe a fitness or budget, whatever you like. So lastly, I'm going to show you all of the templates that come with the planner. So let's go back to the templates page. We have some yearly layouts, monthly, weekly, daily, and some extra pages. All of these layouts come in two versions, decorated and outline. So, you know, if you want something really cute with very low effort, then I suggest you use a decorated template. If you're very busy, this is great because you can just pop in your information and it looks super cute with zero effort. But if you have some time on your hands and you want to do something very creative, decorate the whole thing yourself, then I suggest an outline template, which is going to give you full range for your creativity. So let's start with the first template at the top, and then we're going to swipe through all of these to show you. So the first one here is a decorated future log. So here you have all of the months, and you can plug in some future events, birthdays, whatever you like. Here we have a vision board, a yearly habit tracker. This is an outline version of the main monthly template. And here you have a monthly habit tracker. Here we have an alternate monthly layout. This one has two boxes at the bottom for goals and important dates. This is an outline version of the same thing. This is an alternate weekly layout, and I really love this layout personally. And this is a weekly layout with a big to-do list. And this is a weekly layout with a to-do list, a top 3, gratitude. So this is really great for some journaling at the same time as you're planning. A weekly habit tracker. And here is an outline version of the main weekly layout. And these are the outline versions of the same templates that we have just seen. Here we have the daily layout. So this is the daily journal layout, which has a to-do list, meals, notes, water intake, and a top 3. And here we have the daily schedule layout. So this here starts at 4 a.m. and ends at midnight. It's in increments of 15 minutes, so there's plenty of time for all of your appointments. An outline version of the first daily layout that we saw, and outline version of the schedule layout. And lastly, we have the extra pages. So these are note pages that are great to add in the extra sections, for instance, to take notes. So this is a decorated line template, decorated corner, grid, dot grid, empty. And this is the plain version of the lined, plain corner, grid, dot grid, and empty. And I think that's it. Yep, here we go back to the year view. So this is it for the templates. At any time, if you tap on the top right icon here in the corner, this takes you to the index, which has everything in the planner. So the months here, which are the same thing as the tabs, the main navigation, home, year view, template, stickers, and the extra sections. You can also find all of this information at the top bar or on the side with the tabs. So yeah, that's it. That's how this planner works. I hope that you like it. If you did, I will put a link in the description where you can get one for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.